Hey guys, Medina here from the 1 Million Mile Road Trip. A lot of questions that we get as full-time RVers is, what do you do for pots and pans? You know, because cast iron's heavy and, you know, sometimes you just need something different. Well, I wanted to share with you, and I am not paid for this advertisement. Copper Chef, the Titan series, is absolutely amazing. This is what, if you'll look at that, when they ship these frying pans out to you, they ship them out with stainless steel spoons and spatulas. This thing is amazing. Look at this. It's not going to scratch it. There is a lifetime warranty of the pan. And I thought that meant my lifetime, but it didn't. It means the lifetime of the pan, which is approximately 7 years. If you want to get a good set of pans, lightweight, they come with 3 pans with lids. This is the medium, small, and then there's a large. It's under the bed. I don't use it that much. And then it comes with 2 or 3 utensils and a cookbook. They're fantastic. Get you one of these sets, and you won't be sorry. I sent one back only because right down here a couple of the things had come off, and they sent me back another pan. So if you get a chance, check them out. They would be great.